coming up in this video is
YouTube channel I deal with online tutorials, ICT integrated lessons, audiovisual instructing clips, and talent identifying activities, among other things.
My name is Tiafin Mkendi with amazing class from 4 class 2024. Today we have a very amazing tutorial we are going to do with you. Please stay tuned, enjoy. We are going to do a tutorial concerning the topic we call irritability and coordination, but particularly the human brain. So, are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
We have a signboard written kid brain, and we have another one written forebrain. So what we are going to do, when I mention a part of brain, you tell me which part does it belong to. Is it kid brain or is it forebrain? How do you tell me? By moving to the side where the part belongs to. So if you are here, you move a step left. If it is a forebrain, munaenda huku nyinyi nyote. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Hi. Thalamus belongs to which part of the brain? Wait for the question. When I say talking is what you are starting with. Hypothalamus belongs to kid or forebrain? Correct. Another one. Cerebellum belongs to which part of the brain? Kid or brain? Forebrain? Hey, no. Yeah, which are you? Another question. Pituitary gland, for or id? Correct. Hypothalamus, for or id? Hypothalamus, for or id? Haya. Position? Sini step?
Yeah.
Ndio maana mko katikati mnajipata. Yeah. Mko hapo sasa.
Yes.
Step moja ni sawa. Wale wanaenda side yote wanafaa ku move like this. 1 2. Ni mna move 1. Haya tuendelee. Ya mwisho sasa. Cerebrum, for or id? Correct. That one is done. Team, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
So we have cerebellum and we have cerebrum here. These are two confusing parts of brain in both function and spelling. So you need to be very careful. Cerebellum is here. And this one is cerebrum. Are you together? This is cerebrum. Are we together?
Yes.
Yes. Which parts of human brain before you that controls voluntary body movement? Move now. Start moving with side. Correct. Very good. Clap for them. Wait, where are you?
Yes.
Is it cerebrum or is it cerebellum that maintains body posture?
Sinis cerebellum.
Yeah, correct. Hey, you want to go sawa. Back to your position. Iko wapi makofi jamani? Iko wapi makofi? Iko wapi makofi jamani? Iko wapi makofi? Aya. Ya mwisho on that. Ya mwisho. Aha. Is it cerebellum or is it cerebrum that are you ready?
Yes.
That integrates sensory impulses. Start moving! Start moving! They are wrong! Okay, you can do it. Haya. Haya. Ya mwisho. Acha nikae hapa. Is it cerebellum or is it cerebrum that controls learning and memory?
Hakuna.
Correct. Clap for them. That is that. Let I have thalamus versus medulla oblongata. This challenge is thalamus versus medulla oblongata. Which part of human brain between thalamus and the medulla oblongata controls swallowing? Correct. Very correct. Hey! Very good. Another question. Take your position properly. Take your position properly. Which part of brain between the thalamus and the medulla oblongata that controls or contains receptors for pain and pressure? Usinishikashike. Medulla oblongata ama thalamus? Niuliza swali tena. Sijapeana answer. Nauliza which part between medulla oblongata and the thalamus iko na receptors za pain and pleasure? Bado nasema yes, thalamus, medulla oblongata ni wapi?
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, correct. Wameiva bwana, wameiva. Wacha wivu. Comment, like and share. Utuambie aje ni mazoea, sio uchawi. Hivyo ndivyo kuko at where? GSS.
Detox.
Yes. Ya mwisho kabisa. Which part of brain between thalamus and the medulla oblongata? Between thalamus and the medulla oblongata that is sensitive to temperature? No.
Correct comment is here.
They are all wrong. It is neither thalamus nor medulla oblongata. That one is hypothalamus. Yes, normal regulation is hypothalamus. So if you're watching and you're a student, please note that it is neither thalamus nor medulla oblongata, but hypothalamus. We want to stop at this point. If you have enjoyed, again share. And if you want something like this again, tell us the topic and you will not hesitate doing that. Bye. Love you. What do you tell them?
Please like, share and subscribe.
Thank you.